Hey everyone, in this video, I wanted to talk about some common credit card mistakes that beginners seem to make the most when they're just getting started. Now, we see so many ads on TV and social media, and we get a lot of offers in the mail because the fact is that credit card companies are willing to pay a lot of money to acquire new customers through advertising, through welcome bonus offers, and through many other tactics as well. For people that have been in the world of credit cards for a while, we know about all these things, and we just try to stick to some solid financial habits. That way, we actually can come out ahead of these credit card companies. But beginners with credit cards could get left behind, and that would hurt their credit score or their budget in pretty meaningful ways if they're not careful about the 5 mistakes that we're gonna talk about here in this video. Hi, welcome to my channel Slow Fire. Here I share knowledge on personal finance, money psychology, frugal habits on the way to financial independence. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to watch more similar videos. Jumping right in, the first mistake beginners make with credit cards is applying for too many at once. This can lead to multiple hard inquiries on your credit report, potentially hurting your credit score. So be patient and be aware of your credit score. If you're new to credit cards, have a lower score or limited history. Take it slow and wait 6 to 12 months between applications. Remember, everyone's situation is unique, so do your research. Consider issuer-specific rules like Chase's 5 to 24 rule when applying. Start with a simple, no annual fee card, use it responsibly, and reevaluate after several months. Mistake number 2 is getting the wrong cards while starting your credit card journey. With constant ads and offers, it's easy to fall for a seemingly good card, but it may not be the best option for you. Consider opportunity costs when comparing cards like Apple Card versus Chase Freedom Unlimited, which has a welcome bonus offer that the Apple Card lacks. Prioritize Chase cards first due to their 5 to 24 rule and maximize value. Consider annual fees too, but don't rush into premium cards as a beginner. Start with a no annual fee card like Discover It, then move to Chase cards like Freedom Flex or Freedom Unlimited. Once your credit score is solid, explore annual fee cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you want travel credit cards, choose those with flexible points currencies like Chase, American Express, Citi, and Capital One. They offer more redemption options than cards tied to specific hotel chains or airlines. Focus on points flexibility for better value in the long run. Mistake 3 is maxing out your credit card, while mistake 4 is not treating your credit card as cash. Avoid these mistakes by using your credit card only when you have the same amount in cash and paying off your balance in full each month. Credit card companies count on people not paying their balance to charge high interest rates, which can make credit cards an expensive way to fund your life. Maxing out your credit card increases your credit utilization, one of the most important factors affecting your credit score. To maintain a healthy credit score, be aware of your credit card balances relative to your credit limits and ensure low credit utilization. Sticking to a budget, staying organized, and understanding your spending habits are key to avoiding these mistakes. Gaining visibility over your finances will help you build wealth and develop good money habits in the long term. Mistake 4 involves 0% APR offers, a marketing trick used by credit card companies. Although 0% interest for a limited period sounds good, I don't recommend these offers for 2 reasons. First, it's still debt that must be paid back eventually. If you can't afford the purchase upfront, an extra monthly payment could decrease your cash flow and put you in a bad situation if you miss a payment or don't pay off the balance before the intro period ends. Second, carrying a balance might raise your credit utilization, which you'll want to keep below 10%. Higher credit utilization could hurt your credit score and cost you more interest later. As a beginner, focus on no annual fee cards, use them responsibly, and pay off your balance on time and in full each month. While 0% intro offers can help with strategic balance transfers, stick to the basics and avoid these offers as a beginner. The last and the 5th mistake is closing a no annual fee credit card, which is easily overlooked. Your credit history length affects 15% of your credit score, and no annual fee cards are likely your longest held accounts. I have an old Wells Fargo card that costs nothing to keep open and positively impacts my credit score. Use it occasionally to keep it active and maintain your credit history. People may think closing unused cards is harmless, but it erases credit history associated with the account. It'll stay on the report for 7 to 10 years, but if there's no annual fee, there's no point in closing it. Annual fee cards are different. If a card's no longer worth it, cancel it. However, check for downgrade options to no annual fee cards before closing. For example, Chase Sapphire Preferred and Reserve cards have downgrade options. Make sure there's a downgrade option before opening an annual fee card. Otherwise, keep no annual fee cards open forever.